Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, my name's Asha and I've just got my hands on the new NARS Endless Summer Collection and I'm so excited to try it. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this winter glowy makeup look with a pop of color on the lips. I'm heading out tonight with a few friends, so I wanted to go for something that was a little bit glam but not too over the top. If you guys want to see how I created this winter look that I'm wearing right now with the new NARS Endless Summer Collection, then just keep watching. So I'm starting out with the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. This is a oil-free primer and it honestly makes your skin so glowy, so I'm going to use that to give us that nice glowy base to start off with. Next up, I do have a few spots at the moment on my forehead, so I'm going to be taking the OG NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. The one I have is in the shade Medium 1 Custard, and honestly, this is just the best concealer in the world. It's been one of my favorites for years. I'm just going to pat that into my skin using the Stila double-ended blending brush, and this is slightly damp because I like my sponges damp. And then for my cold favorite foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. This one is in the shade Medium 3 Stromboli, and I'm just going to apply that all over my skin. It just gives the most beautiful amount of coverage. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, you can't really feel it on your skin, and it just looks amazing. I love it. And then I'm going to blend that out using the same Stila sponge. So the colour is a little bit different to my fake tan, but it's okay because once we put all of our bronzer and everything on, it's going to look fine. To brighten up underneath my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Light Neutral. I'm also just going to take that one up on my forehead, down my nose, and on my chin. And then use that same blending sponge to blend it out. So to set that all in place, I'm going to be taking the NARS Translucent Light Reflecting Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Crystal, and I'm just going to use the Mecca Super Powder Brush. This isn't going to give us any more coverage, it's just going to make sure that the foundation and concealer doesn't get oily throughout the night. This powder smells really good. I don't know if that's weird, but it just smells really nice. Next up, I'm taking a bronzer, and I'm going to be using one today that I am obsessed with and have been obsessed with for years. It is the cult classic NARS Laguna Bronzer. This is just the best bronzer to bronze up your face and give you that really nice warm summer glow. And I'm going to be taking the powder brush by Too Faced, and this was from their teddy bear hairbrush set. So I'm not going to contour too heavily, I'm just going to bronze up my face. Okay guys, so now I am dipping into our first product from the NARS Endless Summer Collection, and this is so beautiful. I'm honestly obsessed with it. This is the Hot Escape Eye and Cheek Palette. Look at the packaging. Look how gorgeous this is. The colors are just so beautiful. Obviously it's winter here at the moment, but I really feel like you've got some really nice transitional colors in here, like these dark browns. This blush is really good for all year round, and who doesn't love a highlighter all year round? So I'm going to be taking this pink blush shade, and to apply this one I'm going to be using the Mecca Cosmetica blush brush. I feel like blush is so underrated, like it honestly can just brighten up your entire face and just make you look like you've gone for a run. So then I'm going in with the Sunstreak highlighter from the same palette and the highlight hitter brush from Mecca. I'm just going to put some of that highlight on my cheekbones. Oh, it's so pretty. It's such a nice champagne-y shade. This would be so beautiful on literally any skin tone. I'm also going to put that one down my nose and on my Cupid's bow. I've just zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm now taking the Precision Brow Pencil by Kevyn Aucoin, and I'm going to fill my brows in with that. I like to go for quite a natural fluffy look through my eyebrows, and I find that a brow pencil is what gives me the best look. So I'm just taking the spoolie end and I'm just going to comb through my brows. Then I'm going to take the brow end of the pencil and I'm just going to run that underneath my eyebrows. And then I'm just going to take that spoolie end and comb them through to blend that product out. And then to set those in place, I'm just taking the Mecca Brow Guru Control Gel, because otherwise my eyebrows go crazy, even though they kind of are at the moment and definitely need plucking. So first up for my eyes, I'm going to be taking this shade here from the Hot Escape palette. So this is in the shade Endless, and I'm just taking the Too Faced All Over Shadow brush from that same Teddy brush collection, and I'm just going to pack that all over the inner half of my lid. This color is insane. If you guys wanted to get a more intense pigment, then you could spray this with a setting spray. But I'm going to focus more on the lips for this look, so I'm not going to go too crazy on the eyes. Then I'm going to use that same brush but just the other side, and I'm going to go in with this. It's kind of like a charcoal-y colour, and this one's in the shade Next Wave, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer half of my lid. Now I'm going to take this shade here called Yucatan. This is beautiful. It's like a coppery, it's almost got purple undertones to it, but it's still really beautiful and shimmery. I'm just going to take that on my finger and just pop that in the middle of my eye. To blend out my crease, I'm actually going to be going back into the Laguna Bronzer, and I'm just going to be taking the blender brush from the same Too Faced Teddy collection, and I'm just going to blend that through my crease to blend all the colours out. I just want to deepen out that outer corner and also underneath my lash line with that initial Next Wave shade. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit on the Too Faced liner brush, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye and just take the remainder on the brush underneath my eye as well. Now just with my pinky, I'm going to be taking this white shade here. This is in the shade Aurora, and I'm just going to pop this underneath my brow bone. That is so pigmented and creamy. I always love to give my inner corner a really nice pop, so I'm actually going to be going into the Sunseeker Lip and Light Duo pack from the NARS Endless Summer Collection, and I'm going to be taking the Fort de France highlighter that comes in this pack. How cute is this? It's like the tiniest thing ever. When I first opened this, I couldn't get over it. Like, look at the Laguna Bronzer. And then this, it's so cute. We're going to be taking the highlighter just on our pinky and adding that to the inner corner of our eyes. Oh, just that one tiny little dot makes such a difference. Oh my god, so pretty. For mascara, I'm going in with my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Honestly, nothing beats this. Like, it's just so good. Mascara makes such a difference. I do want to go quite bold on my lips, so I'm going into the Sunseeker Light and Lip Duo kit, and I'm taking out the lip pencil. This is the Dolce Vita Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and again, like the highlighter, it's the cutest thing in the world. And I'm just going to line my lips with that. The Endless Summer Collection has two of these lip kits. They're the Undressed Liquid Lip Sets, and there's the Undressed Liquid Lip Set 1 and the Undressed Liquid Lip Set 2. So let's go into them and see which one we want to use. That is the shade Haze. Yep, that's definitely top of the list so far. Cartagena is this really pretty pink. I think that's a little too intense for today's look. Then we've got Bound. That one's really pretty as well. American Woman is quite nice as well. Oh, I don't know which one to pick. So I'm going to go with American Woman, which is that one on the end, just because it's more neutral than pink. It literally glides on the lips so well. I'm actually going to go back into the mini highlighter. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that on my finger and dab it on the middle of my lip. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am so in love with how the look turned out and the whole Endless Summer Collection by NARS. There's just so many amazing products that you can use, not only in summer but also all year round. If you guys did like this video, then make sure you give it a massive thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the Mecca channel for more get ready with me's like this one today. I will see you guys very soon. Bye! Mwah!